Alright, just give everybody an update where I'm at here. I'm waiting on these steel bungs to come in so I can get the dash 16 AN fitting to go for the back of here. That way I can run the pump up here. The pump should be here tomorrow or Monday. Today's Thursday. And then I'm just going to block off the pickup tube from that runs through the engine, and I'm just going to push pressure through the block from here. And the car's already got an oil filter right up by this. And then I found a mount I kind of liked for an alternator. We're going to see how it fits with the pump sitting next to it, because they're going to run off two different belts anyways. But I don't think it's going to work how I want, and it's going to have to go to the other side. The mount is for a small block Chevy to mount here, but the hole's a little off. And here's what's funny: if I got to flip to the other side, I'm going to mount it up here. What I'm going to do is probably oblong this hole here to well, let me rephrase this. Obviously I'm going with a small block Chevy pump, electric water pump, and what I think I'm going to do is Cadco's got this quarter 20 hole. I don't see me using that to mount the pump, and since it's an aluminum housing pump, I'm just going to oblong the hole out and mount it right to these two bolt holes, and then this side can mount to these two holes, which is fine. And then I just stud them out, and then I'll just put them through here, and then it'll just be flipped around, and it'll be sitting up here by the where I put the coil at, by the distributor there. I still gotta get two more bolts, and then I don't know, we're sitting pretty good. The only other thing I gotta do is I gotta take a measurement here, because the gear for the gear drive's thicker. The hub's gonna have to be shortened, so I gotta pull the pan off anyways, and when I do that, I'll take a measurement and figure out how much we gotta take off the back of the hub and send it down to the machine shop, have them do it. And it's coming along. The other problems I had this morning was I planned on having all the valve train in, but all my push rods, all 4 sets I had, were too long. I even tried a factory set, and they were too long. So yeah, now I get to get a push rod checker and figure that out. And then I threw one of these on just to see how it would look. You know, have the turbo sitting here. I was actually debating on taking a pipe up back and put the turbos in front, because you got I put the turbo drain. Oh, sorry. The turbo drain is right there where the fuel pump used to mount. I got to put a T on there for both the turbos to drain into it. But I might set the turbos off here in front of everything. We'll see how it fits once it gets in the car. If I don't have the room, it's going right on top of the headers, and we're going to call it good.